Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's check out my quick and easy, healthy baked tilapia recipe. I have used the air fryer in this recipe, but you can air fry as well. Let's get started. Here is my marinated tilapia fillet. I have added olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, paprika and a little bit of garam masala. That's purely optional, but you can add it. And on the top I have added some Italian seasoning breadcrumbs. Preheat the air fryer for 375 Fahrenheit and place the parchment paper and our marinated tilapia fillets. Bake it for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Garnish with some parsley and keep a lemon wedge on the side. And hope you like this easy and healthy recipe. Do try it at home and share your feedback. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.